Hi, I'm Carlos and I'm gonna talk to you about how to make a spicy sauce. The first thing we need to do is to clean the place, okay? So we need to make sure there's nothing around where we're gonna work. The next thing is to get the ingredients, okay? So I'm gonna go for them and I'll see you then. Okay, the first thing we need to make sure we have are chilies. These are the most important ones. These are the ones who brings the taste to the sauce. The next thing we need to have are tomatoes. We're gonna make sure they are clean so there's no harm on eating the sauce. Then we're gonna need some onion, some salt, and I think that's it. So let's see it then. Okay, for the next step, to make a spicy sauce, we're gonna need to put the tomatoes and the chilies on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and light up the stove so you can see how much does the chilies and tomatoes need to be. Okay, for the next step, we need to put all the ingredients on the blender. Okay, so let me do it and let me show you how the sauce needs to be. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you can make a better sauce than mine, so you have a healthy and delicious meal.